Welcome to my YouTube channel Know the Unknown Techs. Today I am going to upload the first video of this channel. It's about the must-have Google extensions or Google add-ons. So today we will just see the 5 must-have Google add-ons. First I would like to show you what is the add-ons or what is the extensions. Many of us uses a Google just for the web browsing or just for some other one, but the Google add-ons or Google extensions are those tiny applications which performs a more than normal task. These add-ons or extensions are only be supported by Google Chrome, which is the product of Google. So we will first see the very first add-on, which is a complete screen recorder or full screen recorder. So for which purpose it will use, I will show you. Suppose this is our page which I want to save either in PDF or either in JPG format. So what will I do? I will just press the 3 magical keys. This is Alt, Shift and P. Alt, Shift and P. So what you will get here, you can see the full page screen capture has been started, and now the image is going to generate. So this is the generated image. We can either save this as PDF or we can save this as PNG file. Okay, so as I will click here, I will get one PDF. So this is the use of very first add-on, which is a full page screen capture. Here also you can get the icon. I will show you how to install this all the add-ons or extensions later. First, you like the first add-on. If you like it, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I will be able to post the new text for you. Now we will move for the next add-on, which is this one. It's a setup VPN. But before that, I will tell you what is my IP, because it's based on that it will change my IP address. So this is the IP address which has been provided by my ISP, which is Internet Service Provider. So suppose I am going to visit any website which is banned in India. This is the website which has been banned in India, streamable.com. I cannot visit this website. Okay, it's a video hosting website, so as it's banned in India, I cannot visit. But as I will go on this VPN and I will choose any country rather than India. So what will happen? Suppose I will choose here Singapore. So what will happen? I will now suppose check my IP first. So what happens? Please see. Now my IP has been changed. This is my IP now, 128.199.215.3. And if you check the initial IP, so it was different. So as now the IP has been changed and I want to visit the same site which was banned in India. So will I be able to access that website? Let's see. Okay, now the website has been opened. So by using this second add-on, which is a setup VPN, you can access the banned websites. I hope you will use this for constructive purpose, not for the stuffs which has been really should be banned. Okay. Now the third add-on is WA Sender, which is nothing but a WhatsApp sender. So it will be used for purposes like WhatsApp marketing. You also at the individual level can use this for sending the WhatsApp messages on the occasions like Diwali and all other stuffs. So how to use that, I will show you. First you will have to go on web.whatsapp. There you will have to scan your QR code, which just now I have scanned. So here you can see my WhatsApp web interface. From this interface you will just have to go on WA plugin, which is a free panel now. Here in this text field you will have to provide the mobile number separated by comma. You can also upload the CSV file, which is an Excel file, and you will have to just post a common message here. which could be like a happy new year or any occasional message. And as you will click on send message, the all same messages will be received by all of the numbers which has been provided by you. So this is the application of this add-on. The next add-on is one time. While surfing with the different websites is a headache-full task. So for making this simple, we will see the next add-on, which is a one time. It will just bring all of your pages into a single page. Here you can see now all of your tabs has been minimized to a single page. So if you want to now just visit any of website which you is important for you, just you can click here, so that you will go on your important website first and you will finish that task first, so that the rest of website can be minimized here. Here you have the feature to group your important websites or that web links into a group. Just go for that and make this as a group. I hope you will find this as important. Move toward our last add-on, which is ad blocker. While visiting on many websites which are untrusted one, we face or we see different kinds of pop-ups or unwanted ads which are coming towards us, or which is again a headache-full thing. So what you have to do, you will just have to go here and click on this ad blocker. Here, as you can see, the blue mark has been given, so it's active now. So whenever it will be appeared here, you will not be able to face any kind of interruption while surfing. I hope every one of add-ons will be useful for you. Now we will see how to install this kind of add-ons on your Chrome browser. For that, you just need to have the queries in your mind. Suppose now I want the add-on to find the weather report in my area. So I will just search weather Chrome extension. So as I will open the genuine site, which is chrome.google.com. So I will get this kind of tab. Here you will click on add to Chrome button. As you will click, you will get one message. It will ask add, would you like to add an extension or cancel? So just click on add extension. So after installation, you will just have to go here for the icon of add-ons or extensions. There you will choose your weather icon, which has been added just right now. So as I will click here, I will get the complete weather report on a single tab. So this is a one add-on. So I hope you like the video. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any kinds of suggestions, so please comment in comment box, as it was my first video, so definitely I have made a lots of problems or lots of issues might be created for you, so you can just post in comment box. The suggestions are welcome. So thank you for watching my video.